camera right there. Let me give you an update on the MR2. But before I do that, let me show you some new things that I bought. I bought a, this was a kit. This is a blow-off valve that I bought from eBay. Comes with mounts. You can do all this piece on your intake pipes for the turbo. Comes with an extra spring, your V-band clamp, gaskets, and that's pretty much it on this one. I think this is a 50 millimeter. Holds vacuum. So yeah, this is one of the things that I got. But like I said, this is a kit. So it also came with the wastegate. This is the wastegate. I already opened it. I wanted to look at it. I couldn't wait. This is the wastegate. This is cast aluminum at the bottom. It also came with 2 springs. It came with a big one and a little one. I don't know. There's like a big difference on the springs. I don't know if it goes inside of it or what. But V-band, cast aluminum V-bands. The flanges. 2-piece flanges. Imagine this is the one that goes right here. Yeah. This feels like stainless steel, so this must be the one that goes between the exhaust and the little fittings and the vacuum lines. And that's it for this one. And I also bought, because I am trying to run E85, I bought these lines. This is pretty neat. This is 5/16. I like how neat this is in here. This is all aluminum fittings. Whichever one you need. That's pretty cool. I like it. This is from Amazon. And it also came with the hose. So this is E85. It won't disintegrate with the E85. And let's see what else I got. Oh, I got the injectors. The clips. Came with the picture of the injectors and the flow and everything. Already in a blue sticker because they make your car go fast. And this is the injector. It comes with the O-ring, top O-ring, and the bottom piece that goes in that thing, the intake. I don't know if you can see that, but it comes with the little cool sprayer. It's like a 3 nozzle thing, so that's pretty cool. And I also bought, but I have not, I don't have them here. I also bought the stuff to make the turbo manifold by Schedule Lady 90s and all of that. I don't have them here yet, but I also bought that. And I'll probably put those on. I'll try to start building the intake. I'll start building the header pretty soon. So we got the the flange already. We got the 90s. We might have to order a piece of pipe just so we can extend it out a little bit. Because I don't want it just next to the engine. I want to make it look cool and fancy. So we're going to work on that. And what else we got? I want to make it look cool. I don't know. We'll make a video on that too. But the news on the MR2, the update on the MR2. So I put the engine together. I try to crank it, and it vent all the valves. Why? I don't know. So the motor has to be pulled out. I have to pull the motor out, figure out why the valves bend and all that. It's pretty sad about that. I don't know if it hit the pistons, if it messed up springs, if the head is messed up. I don't know. I have to check all of that. So the motor's gotta come out. I gotta take off the head. And yeah. Yeah, so that sucks. So you're gonna have to redo all the work we did by another set of valves and springs. I don't know, pistons maybe. I don't know. But I bought cool things. Yeah, that happened. When you guys just remember to subscribe and comment and all of that.